Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data centers and how artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming the way they consume power. We all know data centers are essential. They're the backbone of the internet, storing and processing massive amounts of data every second. But they also consume a ton of energy. That's where AI and ML come in. In this video, we'll explore 7 key ways these technologies are being utilized to make data centers more energy efficient. We're talking smarter resource allocation, predictive analytics, and even integration with renewable energy sources. This is cutting-edge tech, so let's get right into it. First up, we're talking about the power of prediction. Imagine knowing exactly when your power consumption is going to spike. It's AI and ML-powered predictive analytics. Data centers generate massive amounts of operational data, historical power usage, cooling system performance, even weather patterns. AI analyzes this data to predict future power consumption. This allows operators to anticipate peak usage and allocate resources. Instead of reacting, they can be one step ahead. This proactive approach prevents energy waste and reduces outage risks. It's like having a crystal ball for power needs. Let's talk about AI-driven dynamic resource allocation. Traditional data centers allocate resources based on peak usage, leading to wasted energy. Constantly provisioning for maximum load results in idle servers drawing power. Dynamic resource allocation changes this. AI monitors real-time demand and adjusts resources on the fly. Servers, storage, and network capacity scale instantly with usage patterns. During traffic surges, AI spins up additional resources. When demand drops, resources are spun down, reducing waste. This ensures efficient resource use and energy savings. AI orchestrates servers like a conductor, optimizing performance. This dynamic approach saves energy and improves performance. AI eliminates bottlenecks, handling demanding workloads with ease. Lower power consumption and better performance, a win-win. AI-driven dynamic resource allocation is transforming data centers. Now let's move on to the brains of the operation energy management systems, or EMS for short. These systems are like the central nervous system of a data center, constantly monitoring and controlling energy usage across the entire facility. But here's where it gets really interesting. When you inject AI into these EMS, they become incredibly powerful tools for optimization. We're talking about real-time insights into power consumption, automated adjustments, and even predictive maintenance alerts. Imagine having a dashboard that shows you exactly how much power every single device in your data center is using at any given moment. That's the level of granularity that AI-powered EMS can provide. But it's not just about monitoring, it's about action. These systems can automatically adjust cooling systems, lighting, and even server power states to optimize energy consumption based on real-time conditions. And because AI is constantly learning and adapting, these adjustments become even more precise over time. It's like having an energy-saving autopilot for your entire data center. But wait, there's more. AI-powered EMS can also analyze historical data to identify trends and patterns that might indicate potential equipment failures. This allows data center operators to perform predictive maintenance, preventing costly downtime and reducing the energy waste associated with emergency repairs. So we're not just talking about saving energy in the present, we're talking about ensuring long-term efficiency and reliability. AI-powered EMS are truly game-changers in the world of data center energy management. Now let's talk about a major energy hog in data centers: cooling. Keeping those servers from overheating takes a lot of energy, but AI and ML are stepping in to make things more efficient. Traditionally, data centers have relied on a keep-it-cold approach, blasting AC regardless of actual server load. But with AI, we can be much smarter. ML algorithms can analyze data from temperature sensors, server workloads, even weather forecasts to predict cooling needs with incredible accuracy. This means cooling systems can be dynamically adjusted, ramping up only when and where needed. Imagine a hot aisle, cold aisle setup where the cooling is targeted based on real-time server activity. That's what AI makes possible. Or how about using outside air for cooling when conditions are right? AI can determine the optimal mix of traditional cooling and free cooling to minimize energy consumption. It's like having a climate control system that understands the specific needs of every rack in your data center. And this isn't just about saving a few kilowatt hours. Cooling is one of the biggest energy consumers in most data centers. So even small improvements in cooling efficiency can have a huge impact on overall power consumption. Plus, reducing the energy footprint of data centers is crucial for a sustainable future. AI-powered cooling optimization is a major step in the right direction. Now, if you want to talk about data center efficiency, you have to talk about power usage effectiveness, or PUE. This metric tells you how much total facility energy is used for IT equipment versus everything else, like cooling and lighting. A perfect PUE score is 1.0, meaning all energy is used for actual computing. In reality, most data centers are higher, but AI is helping to drive those numbers down. Think about it. All the optimizations we've talked about, predictive analytics, dynamic resource allocation, intelligent cooling, they all contribute to a lower PUE. By reducing energy waste across the board, AI helps data centers get closer to that ideal 1.0 score. But it goes even deeper than that. AI can analyze PUE data over time, identifying hidden inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Maybe there's a specific time of day when PUE spikes, or perhaps a particular group of servers is consistently less efficient. These insights allow data center operators to make targeted improvements, further optimizing their PUE and reducing their environmental impact. It's like having an AI-powered efficiency consultant constantly looking for ways to save energy. And as data centers become even more critical to our digital lives, optimizing PUE will be more important than ever. AI is the key to unlocking those efficiencies and building a more sustainable future for data centers. Let's face it, downtime in a data center is a nightmare. Not only does it disrupt operations, but the recovery process can be a massive energy drain. That's where AI steps in with its incredible ability to detect and even predict faults before they happen. Think about all the data flowing through a data center: server logs, temperature readings, power fluctuations. AI can analyze all of this in real time, looking for subtle patterns that might indicate a problem. It's like having an AI watchdog that never sleeps, constantly monitoring for any sign of trouble. And when it detects something unusual, it can alert operators immediately, giving them valuable time to address the issue before it becomes a major outage. But it's not just about reacting to problems. AI can also use historical data to predict potential failures. Maybe a certain type of server has a higher likelihood of failing after a certain number of operating hours. AI can identify these patterns and alert operators to schedule preventative maintenance, avoiding costly downtime and the associated energy waste. It's like having an AI crystal ball that can see into the future of your data center's health. And as data centers become more complex and interconnected, this proactive approach to fault management will be crucial. AI is the key to keeping those servers running smoothly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and reducing the energy impact of unexpected outages. Now let's talk about the future of data center power: renewable energy. Solar, wind, hydro, these sources are becoming increasingly viable, and AI is playing a crucial role in integrating them seamlessly into data center operations. The challenge with renewables is their intermittent nature. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, so data centers need a way to manage this unpredictable power supply. That's where AI comes in. AI algorithms can analyze weather patterns, historical energy generation data, and even real-time energy market prices to predict the availability of renewable energy with remarkable accuracy. This allows data centers to intelligently adjust their energy consumption, shifting workloads to times when renewable energy is abundant and relying on traditional power sources when necessary. It's like having an AI energy trader that's constantly optimizing your power portfolio. But it goes even further than that. AI can also work with smart grids to store excess renewable energy, creating a buffer for times when generation is low. This not only makes data centers more resilient, but also helps to stabilize the grid, paving the way for wider adoption of renewable energy. So we're not just talking about making data centers more sustainable, we're talking about transforming them into key players in the transition to a clean energy future. And AI is the driving force behind this exciting evolution. So, there you have it, 7 ways AI and ML are revolutionizing power consumption in data centers. From predictive analytics to renewable energy integration, these technologies are making data centers more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, further reducing the energy footprint of these critical facilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Leave a comment below on how you think AI and ML will shape the future of energy management in data centers. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts. Until next time.